Really different video today, but something that was recently purchased for me as a gift off of Amazon. I am in love with. This is the little paper. It's a men's ultra soft fleece robe by this company. And let me tell you, it's really, let me show you. So there's the tag. It even has a nice little hook to hang it. And then, let me tell you, it's been like 30 degrees here in Georgia. And many times now when I go outside, I put this on instead of my jacket. So it does have a rope on the inside that attaches to one on the other side to make it extra tight. Then you also have the main rope on the outside. Let me tell you, this is like the warmest thing I wear. I mean, literally 25, 30 degrees outside, taking the dog out to use the restroom, and I don't feel any of it. My hands will be cold, my face will be a little cold, and my feet will be cold. It also has a pocket on each side, and these pockets are big enough to fit my Pixel 6 Pro, which I'm currently recording with. But I just had to show this thing to you. The material is uber soft. You can see it in the camera, nice. And it is truly just a great robe. Getting out of the shower, staying warm after the shower, or going outside in 25-degree weather, I don't feel anything with this robe on. I've been using it since Christmas and completely love it. 2 major thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.